Welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of the SAVILAND unboxing. They sent me 2 beautiful packages. One was a glitter set, which I showed you guys in my live. I'm going to get to swatching out these 6 colors that they sent. They're all so beautiful, starting with this pink. It was very pale, not too opaque. This nude pink was super pretty, and the soft pink was more up my alley. I really enjoy a flesh color pink. This glitter pink was really pretty, super shimmery, but it had fine glitters, which I really liked. The light purple, uh, it was kind of sheer, too sheer for my liking, but the color was very pretty. I ended up using this white to do the set in this video. So this polygel brush, I wanted to compare it to the last one because the last one had given me problems when I did my set, and I think it's the same exact one that they sent last time. They also sent me a cuticle pusher, and 3 things are in here. There's this slip solution in a jar. We're gonna get to that. And they also sent me some top coat and foundation gel, also base coat. I'm gonna use that to do my pop off base. I've never heard of anybody call base coat foundation gel, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. These are the instructions for just doing a polygel set, which was pretty nice of them to send. And one of my favorites, oh my gosh, this handheld UV lamp that they sent me. So cute, so sleek, so easy to use, and it was super strong. I am going to drop the wattage on screen, but this is the manual that it came with. Super easy to use. I just plugged it right up, and I can feel the warmth coming from the light. Like, I can tell this is going to get my nails cured. And yeah, I'm definitely going to use this for my set, and I'm going to use it for as long as I can. The dual forms I don't use, but if you do, it's up to you. The slip solution in a jar. So let's see the viscosity of this stuff. I'm not sure how it's going to be when I open this. I've never seen slip solution in a jar, but we are here to test out these products and see how they perform. And let's see if this is beginner friendly as well, because some things aren't beginner friendly. So I'm going to be going in with the white polygel. I love this color. And I'm going to be using my XO tips from Temu. You guys already know this is going to be a pop-off set. I don't like to keep my nails on, and I like to do a bunch of sets for you guys. So that's why I make sure that I can pop these off. Check out the legs on this bad boy. That just makes it 10 times cuter. Like, yeah. So I'm going to begin curing all of my tips on so we can start applying this polygel. I can't wait to see like the consistency because this is my first time using SAVILAND's polygel. I tried to use an acrylic kit from them a long time ago and I fumbled so bad. But yeah, all my tips are on now, so it's time to lay this polygel. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. I was doing weekly uploads, but now it's changed. I probably upload about 4 times a month, but that's just to go with my schedule that I have now. So I'm going in with this slip solution in a jar. Let's see how this works with this polygel. Now, it's allowing me to manipulate the polygel a lot faster than I would with just my 50% alcohol or a liquid form slip solution. It's getting it around, it's moving it. But what I'm noticing is it's really causing it to loosen and flood. That's what I am noticing. But I'm going to keep working with it. And I did opt to use my regular brush that I usually use rather than the brush that they sent with the kit, only because the brush tends to get sticky faster. And I'm pretty sure the polygel would have been all up and through my brush if I use that one. So I'm just using one that I know will work a little better. That's a little firmer and a bit thicker.
Now, see, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use this, if this is supposed to do this.
Okay, so I'm figuring it out. Like, I'm gonna end up smoothing everything out. I'm gonna add a bit more polygel, and I'm gonna end up finishing the set off camera, and
That
I'll
types
explain
of
to you
shit.
why.
This is not what I want.
You know what? I'm not a
Everything.
quitter, and I think I can use this
This is
slip
not gonna be the.
solution
It's not even gonna be the
for a
funny
polygel that is
video.
firmer and more difficult to work with. The SAVILAND polygel is nice and soft, and it doesn't need a slip solution that's going to thin it out so much. I feel like it's a bit strong for it. I have some other polygels that may require this strong slip because all it was doing was flooding my nails. But what are we going to do? We're going to get it together. We're going to keep it together. I'm still going to do an adorable set. I'm still going to smooth this down, even if it's giving me difficulties. Yeah, because why not? This is what you guys came here for, to see how the product works. And I'm being honest with you
That's
guys
what I'm
and letting
doing.
you guys know how the product performs, if I think it's beginner friendly or not, and just my honest first impressions working with the product. Guys, quick story time. Why did I go to the store to get my breakfast sandwich? And they were being so rude to me in there. I'm in New York, by the way, so everywhere is like a bodega. I go in there to order my food. Why they were being so rude to me, I made sure I ordered my food, extra cheese, on a hero and everything, and I walked out. They can eat it with their attitude, okay? Because I don't play that. If I'm spending my money, I want good service and good treatment. I gotta admit, I'm spoiled from being in Georgia. Like, I like my service with a smile. Like, I don't like this attitude. Your store stink. Your attitude stinks. I don't want to spend no money with you. Stink. I'm not spending no money in there. But yeah, let's get to curing these little sloppy pancakes I got for nails, because I don't know how I ended up with my nails like this. But we're gonna get them together like we always do. Okay. Okay. And I swear I extended the cure a little bit because I didn't know what I was gonna get. So as you can see, this slip solution, this is just giving me flooding. It's just flooding and flooding and flooding. I can't really, I'm gonna do the rest of the set off camera because this product, I don't like it at all. I'm sorry, Savaland. This one product that you got in here just has my polygel just running all over the place. So I will be back when my nails don't look like they're melting. And I made it do what it does anyway. I got all of these on, and now we're gonna start to shape, file, and buff them. Let's see what it's gonna give, honey. Like, I'm gonna make sure I still do a good job, even though my materials weren't materialing. We're gonna get this shape together nice and tight, and I'll be right back. Okay, the shape is giving, but can we take a moment to admire this polygel color? Like, look at that white, guys. My fave. So now I'm gonna go in with some top coat because I just want my design to slide around. I like doing my designs over top coat because the base coat is hard to clean up after you get any like messiness. It's sticky. So, and I got that tip from Polygel Vic. She also paints her designs over a top coat. So yeah, why not paint your design over some top coat? And I also learned to put my rhinestone glue in my top coat from Polygel Vic. Yeah. But these are going to come out so cute, guys. I'm just doing a little abstract design with some wavy lines. And I'm going to use the blue and the black to do so. All right, guys, just enjoy this portion of me doing the design. And yeah, stay tuned. This Savaland top coat is very smooth and shiny. I love it. Now let's get on to drawing this design. You guys already know it's a freestyle. I always freestyle my designs. I'll just have a concept in mind and I just start drawing. And that's how I do it. If you guys ever recreate any of my designs, please tag me. I would love to see your version of, just what you can create after seeing my work. I would love to see that. Yeah, tag me. And I heard I'm supposed to be using gel paint instead of like gel polish. I haven't tried that yet. I could see how the consistency of the gel paint could be better for me because this is very inconsistent. Even when I take the excess off of the brush, like it's just very inconsistent. Now, who said I wasn't going to get it together? Look at these nails. Oh my gosh. I loved doing the nail art. Please like this video, comment, share this video with somebody that might like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.